about the multiplication of monomial to monomial and monomial to polynomial. So in that we discussed about the multiplication of polynomial to polynomial. So multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. So this is one more concept of multiplication of algebraic expressions. So first we go through the problems. The first problem, 3x plus 4y into 2x minus 7y. 3x plus 4y into 2x minus 7y. So first, so you see that this is the first term, second term. First term, second term. So first to second, and second to first, second to second. So you go through directly first to second, second to first, second to second. So 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, x into x square plus. So first to first go over. So next first to second. So 3 7s are. So 3 7s are. So you have plus into minus sign. 3 7s are 21 x y. 21 x y. Now second to first, 4y into 2x. So that means plus. So plus into plus. 2 4s are 8xy. 8xy. Next 4 7s are. So plus into minus. 4 7s are 28. 28 y into y square. 28 y square. Now 6x square. So these two are like but different signs. So subtract. So 21 minus 8 you get 21 minus 8 you get 13. 21 minus 8 you get 13xy. So the larger value sign is negative. So the larger value sign is now negative. So minus 13xy minus 28y square. So this is the answer. So next, second question. X cube plus 2x square into 3x square minus x. So first to second to first, second to second. So first, x cube into 3x square. X cube into 3x square. You get 3 as it is. So x cube, x square, you get x to the power 5. Next, first to second. So sign plus into minus x cube into x to the power 4. Here 2x square into 3x square. You get 2 3s are 6. X square into x square, you get x to the power 4. So plus into plus. So now plus into minus 2x square into x. 2x square into x, you get 2x to the power 3. So now next step, 3x to the power 5, and these two are like terms with different sign. So subtract. So 6 minus 1 you get 5. The larger value sign is plus x to the power 4. So 5x to the power 4 minus 2x cube. Now third problem, 2x square minus 3x plus 2 into 3x plus 5. So I want to take the next expression, the second expression I take first, and first one I take next one. So take 3x plus 5 into 2x square minus 3x plus 2. So now, so first to second, so first to third. So similarly, second to first, second to second, second to third. So now 3x into 2x square. 3x into 2x square. 3 2s are 6. X into x square, you get x to the power 3. Next, 3x into minus 3x. So plus into 3s are 9 x square. So x into x, you get x square. So next 3x into 2. So 3 2s are 6x. So next second term. So second to first, 5 2s are 10. So 5 2s are 10 x square. So plus into minus minus. So 5 3s are 15 x and 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. So now you take like terms together. So 6x cube will have only one term, so write it first. So minus 9x square, and we have one more x square term, so that is 10x square plus 6x and minus 15x plus 10. So now these two are like and these two are like. So 6x cube. So minus 9 plus 10. So two different signs. Subtract, you get plus x square. And here plus 6x and minus 15x. So subtract. So 15 minus 6 you get the minus 9x. Since the larger value sign is negative. So last finally you have one constant term, that is plus 10. So this is the answer. So the same problem now you do in the column method. So 2x square minus 3x plus 2 into 3x plus 5. So first so you multiply 3x to 2x square minus 3x plus 2, then 5 to 2x square minus 3x plus 2. So first so 3 2s are 6 x into x square, you get x power 3. So minus 3 into 3 you get the minus 9x into x square. 3x into 2 you get 6x. So now 5. So 5 2s are 10 x square. So plus 10 x square. So you write x square below the x square. So minus 9 plus 10. So next 5 3s are 15. So that is minus 15 x and 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. So now add 6x cube. So two different signs. Subtract, you get minus x square. So different sign. Subtract, you get minus. So here plus, the larger value sign you have a plus. So plus x square. Here minus, since the larger value sign is negative. So you write minus 9x and plus 10. So in both the methods the answers are same. So you get 6x cube plus x square minus 9x plus 10. Here also you get 6x cube plus x square minus 9x plus 10. So this is horizontal method and this one is the column method. Now fourth one. So trinomial to trinomial, multiplying trinomial to trinomial. 2x square plus 3x minus 10 into 3x square minus 5x plus 4. So first to first, first to second, first to third. So second to first, second to second. So like that. So now what you do that means first take 2x square and take the second trinomial. So that is 3x square minus 5x. So plus 4. So that means first to first, first to second, first to third. So second, you have second one. So that is 3x. And you write down. So same one more time 3x square minus 5x plus 4. So that means second to first, second to second, second to third. So lastly you have minus 10. So you write one more time 3x square minus 5x plus 4. So now multiply. So this is the monomial to trinomial. Monomial to trinomial. So you see that 2 3s are 6. X square into x square you get x to the power 4. So now first to second. So plus into minus. Minus 5 2s are 10. X square into x you get x to the power 3. So now 2 4s are 8. X square. So the first one over. Now you take second one. you see the order, first 3, next 2. So here you see that 4, 3, 2. So next, so 3 4s are 12x. Next, minus 10 into 3, you get minus 30x square. And minus into minus plus. So 10 5s are 50x. The finally minus 40. So next, you take all like terms together. We have only one 6x power 4. So write it first. So you have 10 minus 10x to the power 3, and you have one more plus 9x power 3. So only 2. So next you take x power 2. So that is 8x to the power 2, and minus 50x to the power 2, and one more minus 30x to the power 2. So next, you take x terms. You have plus 12x and plus 50x, and we have one more constant term, so that is minus 40. So write 6x to the power 4. You have these are all like terms 1, 2 and 1 more. So now minus 10 plus 9, two different signs, subtract, you get minus x power 3. Since the larger value sign is negative, so you put here. So you have 3x square. So minus 30 minus 15, you get minus 45. Minus 45 plus 8, you get minus 37x square. So since these two are different signs, so finally 50x plus 12x both are same sign, and you get 62x. So you have one more constant, that is minus 40. So this is your final answer. 6x power 4 minus x cube minus 37 x square plus 62x minus 40. Okay, now fifth one. So x minus 2 into 5x minus 6 into 5 minus x. So you have three algebraic expressions. So multiplying three algebraic expressions. So I take only these two first term. So write x minus 2. So put one square bracket. So 5x minus 6 into 5 minus x. So next write one more time x minus 2. So square bracket. So first to first, first to second, second to first, second to second. So now 5 into 5, 25x, and 5 into 5x into minus x, you get minus 5x square, and minus 6 into 5, you get minus 30, and minus into minus plus, that is 6x. So these two are like terms, you add in the next step. So that is x minus 2, so minus 5x square, and plus 25 plus 6, you get plus 31x and minus 30. So now is multiplying binomial to trinomial. So write first x of minus 5x square plus 31x minus 30, and now we write minus 2 of, so write one more time. So minus 5x square plus 31x minus 30. So is equal to, so x into minus 5x square, you get minus 5x to the power 3. So x power 2 into x, you get x power 3. So next plus into plus plus 31 x square. So x into x, you get x square. So minus 30 into x, you get minus 30x. So now we multiply here, minus into minus plus, so 2 5s are 10 x square. So minus into plus, you get minus, so 62 x, and minus 2 into minus 30, so minus into minus plus 30 into 2, you get 60. So now next equal to, so write minus 5 x cube and plus we have one more x square here, so that is plus 10 x square, and next minus 30 x, next minus 62 x, and finally plus 60. So next so these two are like terms and these two are like terms. So minus 5x cube, so plus 31 plus 10 you get plus 41 x square, and minus 30 minus 62 you get minus 92 x minus 92 x plus 60. So this is the final answer. So minus 5x to the power 3 plus 41 x to the power 2 minus 92 x plus 60. In the last class, you see that the multiplication of algebraic expressions. Now also you do that multiplication of algebraic expression using special identities. In that first one, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. You have identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now you prove that. So this statement is equal or not. So we have to write the proof for prove that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So first I take LHS. So that is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. That means a plus b into a plus b. So a plus b 2 times. You know that the square means that 2 times a plus b into a plus b. So now it is a binomial to binomial. The multiplication of binomial to binomial. So first to first. So first to second. Second to first. Second to second. So a into a, what you get? A square. So already you know that a into a square. A into b, you get ab. A into b, you get ab. So b into a, you can get ba, that is equal to ab. So you write ab one more time. So ba is equal to ab. So next b into b, you get plus b square. You get plus b square. So now write, so a square plus b square, ab plus ab, that means like terms 2ab. So this is the proof for a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now you see the application for this identity. So I give that problem 3x plus 5y, 3x plus 5y. That means a plus b into a plus b is similar to a plus b into a plus b. So I take now 3x plus 5y into 3x plus 5y. So now the problem, write one more time, 3x plus 5y into 3x plus 5y. That means 3x plus 5y whole square. So 2 times now 3x plus 5y, 3x plus 5y is equal to 3x plus 5y whole square. We have an identity. You know that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? Once. So this is the applying identity. So now write below. So 3x plus 5y whole square. So now 3x acts as a and 5y acts as a b. So in the place of a you have 3x, in the place of b you have 5y. So now write in the place of a 3x, in the place of b 5y. So write first. So in the place of a you have 3x, so substitute here 3x whole square. So 3x whole square, and in the place of b you have 5y. So 5y whole square plus 2. In the formula you know that it is 2. So a means 3x, so substitute 3x. B means 5y, so substitute 5y. So now is equal to. So what is the meaning of 3x whole square? 3x into 3x. 3x into 3x. So you know that the meaning of 3x whole square. So I write it here. 3x into 3x. So 3 3s are 9 x square. Correct? No, 3 3s are 9 x into x square. So write 9 x square. And what is the meaning of this one? 5y into 5y. So 5y whole square means 5y into 5y. So 5y means, so 5 5s are 25, y into y square. So now multiply this one. 2 3s are 6, 6 into 5, 30. So now multiply all the numericals. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. The remaining x into y, so x square. The final answer what we have? 9x square plus 25y square plus 30xy. Now, so multiply 3x square plus 2 into 3x square plus 2 using identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now you see that, so it is the same algebraic expression, 3x square plus 2, 3x square plus 2. So you write 3x square plus 2 whole square 2 times. So now you have an identity. So write first a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now in the place of a you have 3x square. In the place of b you have 2 whole square. So now write substitute as it is. So in the place of a you have 3x square whole square. So in a place you have 3x square. So substitute 3x square whole square. And b square means you have b is 2, that is 2 square. And plus 2 a means 3x square. The value of a you have not 3x, it is 3x square. And in the place of b you have 2. In the place of b you have 2. So now simplify 3x square into 3x square. So 3x square whole square means 3x square into 3x square. So that means 3 3s are 9. So x square into x square you get x to the power 4. So substitute 9x to the power 4. 3 3s are 9. X square you get x square power 4. So 2 square you have 4 plus 2, 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, x square. This is the final answer. So 9x to the power 4 plus 4 plus 12x square. So next you have a number. So 102 whole square. So 102 whole square. You know that 102 is equal to 100 plus 2. If you add, you get 102 whole square. So now it's in the form of a plus b whole square. It's in the form of, so first you split 102, you get 100 plus 2 whole square. So now you write the identity once. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now we substitute here 100 plus 2 whole square. So in the place of a you have 100, in the place of b you have 2. So substitute here. So in the place of a 100 square plus in the place of b you have 2 square. So write 2 as it is. In the place of a 100 into b. So that is 2. So next 100 square. So the value of 100 square means 100 into 100. 100 into 100. So what is the 100 square? 100 into 100. That means 1 after 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. You multiply it, 10,000. 100 into 100 you get 10,000. Right here. So 10,000. So 2 square you have 4 and this is 2 into 100, 200. 200 into 2, 400. So now add, you get 10,404. So this is the answer. Now we find the square of 1004 using a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So first, so 1004 square is split in like this. So 1000 plus 4 whole square, 1000 plus 4 whole square. So now it is look like the identity. So write the identity once. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So substitute 1000 plus 4 whole square. So in the place of a you have 1000, in the place of b you have 4. So substitute here now. So 1000 square plus b square you have, that is 4 square plus 2 into 1000. So in the place of a you have 1000, in the place of b you have 4. So 1000 square means 1 0 0 0 and remaining 3 zeros. So that means 10 lakh. 4 square you have 16 and 2 into 1000 2000. 2000 into 4 you get 8000. So 8000. So now we add, you get 10 lakh 8000 16. 10 lakh 8000 16. So the square of 1004 you get 10 lakh 8016. So next problem, x plus 4 by 3 into x plus 4 by 3. So these are both the same algebraic expressions is equal to, so x plus 4 by 3 whole square. So find the value using algebraic identity. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So you know that the identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So substitute here. So now x plus 4 by 3 whole square. So in the place of a you have x, in the place of b 4 by 3. So substitute you get, so x square, so value of t you have 4 by 3 whole square plus 2 into a, that is x, b means 4 by 3. So is equal to x square. So 4 square you get 16. 3 square, 3 into 3, 9. 4 4 is 16, 3 3 is 9. Plus 2 4 are 8, x by 3 as it is. So this is our answer. We continue the next identities in the next class. Thank you.